People ask me, why did I choose to work at Yeled Vyalda? So I'll tell them about the big five. That is the 5 main reasons why I chose to advance my professional career at Yeled Vyalda. 1. Wages and benefits. From a steady paycheck to medical, dental, and vision insurance, I am always covered at Yeled Vyalda. 2. Flexible scheduling. Yeled Vyalda has cases available at all times, mornings, afternoons, and evenings. 3. Paperless record keeping. The easy-to-use app makes taking notes and submitting my billing a quick, simple process. 4. Staff and support. From skill placement coordinators and billing reps to incredible supportive supervisors, Yeled Vyalda has my back. 5. Development and training. Get credits with CEU-approved seminars. I can attend live in person or use the online training center, and it's totally free. Learn how you can advance your career by visiting the Yeled Vyalda booth at the Provide ED Special Education and Services Expo on May 14th at the Palace in Brooklyn.